Hi friends, welcome to the new episode. Our human body is made up of five basic elements: fire, air, space, earth, water. These are the five basic elements. This all will cause matter. These five elements are called Panchabhutas. These elements have some relationships. Some are enemies, some elements are friends. For example, fire and water, they are enemies. They will destroy each other. Too much fire element in the body may cause inflammation to the body. Too much of water in the body may dampen the fire and indigestion may happen. Some elements love each other. Example, earth and water. They will absorb. Some elements are just like friends. They will manage. Example, air and water. Without any problem, they will manage. Earth and fire, they will manage without any major problem. All these elements are involved in our body. It is just like a democratic friend with different characters and attitudes. These five elements have responsibilities. Earth is responsible for solid matter, our flesh, bone, skin, hair, teeth, etc. Water element controls blood, urine, sweat, saliva, etc. And fire element will cause thirst, hungry, sweating, sleep. Air element controls the movement. Entire movement is controlled by air element. Space element controls the attraction, repulsion and fear. As per Ayurveda, any imbalance in the element will cause diseases. Our five fingers in hands has the characteristics of each animal. Not animal, each elements. Sorry. Our five fingers have characteristics of five elements. These: fire, air, space, earth, water. Once more I will tell you. Fire, air, space, earth, water. With the electrical circuit of our finger, we can energize and balance our elements. This system is called mudra, hand mudra. With these mudras, we can control our elements and we can eliminate all sorts of diseases. There are hundreds of mudras. Today I will explain about Apan Vayu Mudra. Apan Vayu Mudra, if you are doing Apan Vayu Mudra, we can control so many diseases pertaining to our heart. It will eliminate air element in the body. Too much air in the body may thicken the arteries. It may cause blockage and BP problem. Uncontrolled BP problem will be there. All these things can be controlled by Apan Vayu Mudra. How to do this Apan Vayu Mudra? I will tell. This is the fire element. This is the air element. Air element will go to the bottom. Then with the fire element we will join this space element and earth element. This is Apan Vayu Mudra. We can do it with our both hands. Minimum 15 minutes at a time we have to do it. In a day, maximum 45 minutes we can do it this one. This Apan Vayu Mudra is also called as Mrita Sanjeevani Mudra. Even heart attack or chest pain happens, immediately we can do this mudra and rush to hospital so that we can reduce the damages. That is the main benefit of this mudra. Nowadays with this junk food and less sleep, all these things, so many people are having heart ailments. So many heart problems and BP problems are there. All this can be controlled by doing this Apan Vayu Mudra. Not only that, doing this mudra, fire element will increase and good digestion will be there. Not only that, this is a pain-killer mudra. Whenever headache is there, body pain, toothache, all these can be eliminated by doing this Apan Vayu Mudra. 15 minutes at a time. You can do it for 45 minutes in a day. You can live healthy by doing this mudra. There will not be any reaction. There will no, if the time is increased also, there is no problem. Thank you very much for listening my video. If you like this video, please subscribe it. I am not a professional YouTuber. It is my starting only. So many problems will be there. You can point out these problems in comment box. Thank you very much.